After receiving your credentials, you'll be ready to start working with your Sinacluster account. In this demo, we'll walk you through the Sinacluster processing pipeline. Start by creating a new case. Give your case a name. This could be a case number or ID. Assign a responsible person. Optionally, add notes or a description. Click Create Case to go to the case screen. At this point, your case has no evidence uploaded yet. Click Upload Evidence. Enter a name and description for the evidence. Upload your file in .zip or .add1 format. Verify the information and start the upload. You can upload additional evidence or begin processing immediately. The processing pipeline will now begin. Processing may take some time depending on data size. While it runs, you can continue using the dashboard, manage or create new cases. Create user accounts and assign team members, making it ideal for team workflows. Once processing is complete, the case screen will show how many messages and files were processed and any cost associated with it. However, if you're using our all-in-one solution, Sinabox, then this processing is completely free. That's it, you are now ready to analyze the uploaded evidence using the Sinabis Analytics Inspector. Sinacluster, your partner in secure data processing.